let's be honest, ratchet straps can be a pain to deal with, which is why we at Mytee Products offer auto-retracting ratchet straps. These straps come in 2 different sizes and offer the same features for both. The 2-inch by 10-foot strap has a fixed end length of 7 inches and a working load limit of 1,100 pounds. To start using the strap, set the handle to the secure loading release position. While in this position, you're free to extend and connect the straps. These straps use coated S-hooks, which are ideal for D-rings and O-rings. To get the strap tight, start cranking the handle like every other ratchet strap, and make sure that the handle is folded down afterwards. The 1-inch by 12-foot strap has a fixed end length of 15 inches and a working load limit of 500 pounds. Similar to the previous strap, set the handle to the secure loading release position to use it. Because of these straps' low working load limits, they're best suited for small, light loads. However, what they lack in strength, they make up for in reliability, efficiency, accessibility, and storage. Get your auto-retractable ratchet strap today at myteeproducts.com.